So yesterday in the morning, I went to the Bastille market, one of the biggest market in Paris, for the first time. So today I'm gonna talk to you about it. So what I brought for this market shopping are compact shopping bag and a cash. So I heard and I experienced that I get so many coins when you buy small stuff using a paper cash, because it was easier for me to just hand them $10, 10 euros. I'm not still getting used to it. 10 euro paper cash and get the change bag as a coins, but it will make my purse heavier and heavier, and it rings like so it's pretty noisy in my bag. So I decided to do something about it, and what I thought about is, since I'm not good at counting coins, since there are so many colors and so many options of the coins, I put it on a plastic pouch and put a marker to it. It says 50 centime in Japanese, so that whenever people ask me to give them 50 centime, I just pull them out from a pocket and give it to them. So the thing in Paris is they don't seem to have a purse. I mean, they never showed anyone a purse. Maybe that's the trick for not being robbed. But I'm not too sure, because whenever I see it on the market, and whenever the people in the shop ask for the money, they just put your money to somewhere and pull the cash out. And I was so amazed. But my tactic is put it in a pouch and pre-counted it so that I can just give it to them like a Parisian, hopefully. So what you can buy in a market is everything, almost everything. So vegetables, fruits, cheese, milk, meat, and fish, and sometimes wine, and sometimes honey. And you can get women clothes. They looked really cute. The price is not really cheap, but it looks like someone handcrafted it, and it was really cute. Another thing, souvenirs and silver jewelries. So it was a fun experience. If you have half a day of your trip, or if you live here and you haven't tried, just go there and explore. It takes, 1 hour. Well, I'm a foodie and I want to know everything, so it took me 2 hours. Well, I ate crepes in the interim, but that was a fun experience. And also, if you buy something at the market, you might want to buy a small batch first. I'm the one who is not good at numbers, and everything is sold by the grams or by the kilograms. So you cannot really imagine how much it costs. So I experimented it buying the smallest batch I could possibly buy. And some shops are expensive, some shops are dirt cheap, and I learned a lot yesterday. And the quality, I think, varies from shops to shop. I didn't really know, so I just looked around and find the shops with people in front of it. So maybe next time I'm gonna seek deeper. So these are what I get. So, in terms of the quality of these ingredients I get in the market were amazing. I mean, I couldn't believe it. You're living in the city. There are a couple of supermarkets nearby, but I'm like, forget about the markets. I'm gonna come back to the Bastille market every Sunday morning, and I'll definitely bring this one next time. So people are using this a lot, and I don't use it back home, so I kind of thought that this will be a bit bulky. But let's see how it goes. Maybe I need it when I want to carry heavy vegetables because yesterday the shopping bags keep eating my shoulder. Other thing. Oh yeah. So the best ingredients, best surprise I got yesterday was mackerel. So I'm personally proud of myself coming from the country where offers fresh fish, the sashimi or sushi. But the mackerel I get yesterday, I've never had it before in my life in Japan. So it has a creamy flavor, buttery flavor, and doesn't have any smell, uncomfortable smell, fishy smell. And the texture is really soft and juicy and very light. I will definitely go back and find other fish as well. So that was my first market report. I hope you find this handy and helpful. If you find it so, please give me a thumbs up and please subscribe my channel. So until next time, my friends, thank you and take care. Bye.